Okay, so we just made it to this incredible property called the Nami project. It's located in Ucluelet, British Columbia, and it is absolutely incredible. We're staying in 2 of the cabins here. They also have a shared hotel type vibe, which is really cool. They have a shared hot tub, and all the cabins have their own private hot tubs, which is insane. And there's 4 cabins on the property, and they're super private and amazing. 3 of them have their own private balcony, which is incredible. You get ocean views. We're staying at 2 of them. First one is Arashi, and the second one is Asumi, which they both are very unique in their own ways, but I will show you a walkthrough of both. So yeah, let's go inside. Okay, so there was a little tour of this incredible little cabin. This is the first of 2, and what else to say? Like, look at that view. That is insane. But I did want to mention also, like I said, we're in Ucluelet, which is actually only 40 minutes from Tofino. So if you have heard Tofino, it's world renowned, and it's only 40 minutes from there. And Ucluelet is actually an indigenous name, it means people of the safe harbor. So really cool. Love that there's an indigenous tie here on the coast of British Columbia. Let's go check out the second cabin, which is Harashi, which is just as cool. I'm gonna go on a whim and say that this is probably the most beautiful place I've ever stayed at. I think it has every element that you would want in a hotel or resort. It has hot tubs, it has ocean views, it has greenery, it has saunas, it has everything. I just can't get over I haven't stayed here before. Okay, so after 24 hours of just taking so much content, absolutely love this place. It is so pretty.
I think it's like probably top 2 best cabins we've ever stayed at.
Yeah.
Ever.
I'd say probably even number 1, to be honest.
Yeah, it's up there with the Glacier Cabin in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you guys do want to stay here, I will leave the link down below to check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog / cinematic experience. But we're actually heading to a country we've never been to before, and we're super excited. So stay tuned for that. And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.